Belita Intuition, Belita Private Limited.
Can I start?
Yes.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, as you can see in the picture, the recent NBQSA 2004 awards, we won the overall gold together with many other gold awards in the award ceremony. So, let me say what was the speciality of the product. So this complexity is formulated with different factors. So we have identified these factors, and it's because it's no difference than any other software. You can't see through to the system. So because you can't see to the system, you can't map the exact business requirement with the system, and that will result a system with functionalities you may use or you may not use. So this functionality overloaded system is going to be used by the end users. So end users is not always knowledge users in IT, those who can configure their systems and those who understand the modular concept, etc. So what they do, they resist to use the system. Because of this, we have to do a lot of customizations and also have to train people a lot, and that also make a very big make it very difficult for the organization to go with a change management process that involves with the ERP implementation. So that exceeds the time and budget. And as for the Panorama Consultancy, we have identified that more than 60% of the ERP implementations are challenge project. So welcome to the concept of journeys. So this journey, what is a journey? Journey is a functionality across these modules, because those who are using this software, those who want to use this software do not know about this modular approach. What they know is their business. They know their business well. So what we did was simply map their business processes into the elements of this journey. And it's easy for them to see through to the system and also map their requirements. And these journeys are available for any type of business, small, large, because we have customers already, 4 users, and some customers are about 8 users. We can do more. And all these journeys can be installed through our journey pool, and it's available in the cloud. And it's just like you're installing some app in your mobile, like from your Android app store. So everything is what we want to do is to simplify the customer experience and give them a good product that they will enjoy. And this is the Gartner prediction. So Gartner, in their roadmap, they have identified these journeys as business intelligent platforms. This concept is to be implemented in ERP domain by 2017, within the time of 2017 and 2022. But I'm happy to say that we already have succeeded in implementing these business intelligent platforms through our journeys concept, and we already have deployed it with many customers so far. Let me take a case study that will be easy for you to understand, so you can relate this journey concept into your own thoughts. So let's take a pharmaceutical use case. As you see, there is a pharmaceutical distribution company, the main pharmaceutical product company, and the distributors and pharmacies. Those are 3 layers. And those 3 layers are using different types of softwares, and sometimes some people will not use a software at all. So they are totally disconnected. And with this disconnection, there is a very limited capability of interchanging the knowledge, interchanging the information in each and every level. So what we did is introducing the Intuition into this system. So Intuition will make this whole thing under one process. So even the pharmacies will have the Intuition installation, distributors also will have an Intuition installation, and with our big data warehouse, all this information will be gathered and analyzed and presented in the relevant manner for each and every level. So basically, that's the idea, and everybody will be under one thing, and you will not be having pharmacies with the stocks that you going and looking for. So you will be having your medicine. So these are the basically some of the customers we acquired so far. It's actually in this short period we acquired about 50 million worth of customers, and now we are 100% Sri Lankan based company, and we will be taking this into the international level and bring foreign revenue to the country with this latest Entuition, latest product Entuition, and with Journeys. So we'll have the demo before we wind up. So I invite my friend Krishantan to quickly walk you through this.
Hi, good morning everyone. If you ask me whether I can do a demonstration for an ERP within 2 minutes, yes, it's really tough, but I'll hurry it, I'll just quickly run you through what we have. So 2 things I would like to show it to you. One is the user friendliness of the system, and then the other thing is the journeys concept that we have introduced. Right, as soon as you log into the system, this is the home screen that any user will see. So main thing that what we have focused it has to be very social and user friendly for the user. They don't need any training to use this. If you see, simply when you log in, you have the notification, right, and you can go into your task and events. When you go into the task and events, it shows each user wise what are the task and events that they are supposed to do. This company doesn't have to follow up anymore. The system itself will start following up with whatever the pending processes for each user wise, right. So that is one thing when it comes to the user friendliness and the business intelligent process management of the system. And the next thing I would like to show you or introduce you is the concept of journeys, which is a unique feature in Entuition compared to any of the ERPs. Yeah. So if you, for example, take these sales and marketing modules, customers can simply pick their journeys, right? For example, a simple organization with a basic process will only start with a free text invoice, whereas if you take a complex organization where they can start with sales order, outbound shipment, and then invoice, right? So they can simply pick each team wise what are the journeys that they are going to follow to use this system and start using the system immediately without any training. And finally, as Anuradha said, we have the Entuition market space where we have predefined dashboard templates where you can directly download it from the App Store. So this is a sample dashboard for a CEO of a company. So let me show you the dashboard with what are the functions or what are the reports that comes in the dashboard. For example, in the dashboard we have KPIs. If you see, we show the revenue with an indicator whether it has increased or decreased compared to last month, the net income and the net asset, and then the reports and charts. And these charts are not just chart but business intelligence. Let me wind up with this. This is Entuition, and thanks for the opportunity for us to given the opportunity to provide the concept of journeys and Entuition product. Thank you very much.